Hi 7.6. Okay, today's lesson we are going to finish the drawings we were doing in lesson 4 in our previous class. I am going to click on modules, on game on, and we are going to go back into lesson 4, which is computer images. If you remember last lesson, we completed this drawing task, which was to make our own drawing and put the coded numbers next to it. This should be completed in your booklet. Today's lesson, we are going to work out how a computer makes a colored image. So after we made this, and if you remember the answer from last lesson, you should have it written in your booklets there. We are now going to do adding colors. So adding colors is the system which has, it is fine for black and white, but to add white colors, we add more pixels, or 2 pixels per actual square pixel in the image. So as you can see here, we add more depth to the image. So it's more heavier than just on and off. It has either 2 bits per pixel or 3 bits per pixel, and that makes a picture or a photograph more detailed. What we are going to do is we are going to use this link here, which is color image using a Google Sheet. And at the end of the class, you are going to upload an image that you have created here. So in summary, we're going to use this Google Sheet. You're going to make an image and then you're going to upload it. I am going to show you how to do this now. First of all, click on the link. This spreadsheet opens up. You can see it here. The first instruction here says make a copy of this spreadsheet. So we're going to make a copy. File, make a copy. I can change it to my name. So Perez, color image. And I'm going to go OK. Okay, now to draw an image on this page, we are going to add as many bits to one square. But we're just going to use the numbers 0 to, well, it's really to 9, but anything that is 10 or double digits will just be black. So I will show you how to color in a square. So if I go to 1, it's red. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then anything that's double digits, it doesn't matter if it's 22, doesn't matter, will all be black. So this is how I color the page. So let's say I wanted to, I'll go back to zeros. Let's say I wanted to make a nice background, so a nice blue sky. I think it was, let's see. What was it, 5? 5 is a nice blue color. And I might want to color in all this area in blue. So I might go 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So that's my sky. And I might have to do the whole line of sky. Oops. Okay, and so on and so forth. Let's say I wanted to do grass. I think it was 3, wasn't it? 4. 4 is green. So I might fill in green grass, and I might do that for the next couple of lines. And so on. And then I might put a character here. I might do a smiley face. So I might do a yellow sort of circular image. Okay, almost done. I might put some eyes in, double digits for a 10. There's one eye, there's another eye, and I might do a happy face. Okay, it's not a great one, and I would prefer that we have lots of different activity going here where I've got white. I'm just doing a simple one. To give you an example, I am going to show you some students' previous work. So you can see here, this is somebody's work where they've done a rocket ship and it's got lots of stars around and a planet or a sun in the distance. This one here is a dinosaur. You can see lots of different colors. Every single pixel is colored in. So that's what I'm expecting. At the end, when you have completed, so let's go back to my picture. When I'm completed, I am going to snip the image. So I am going to show you how to snip. I'll just make sure that I go down to the screen where you can see me. So down here, I'm going to type the word snip, and you can see the snipping tool. I'm going to click snip. That's my something else, and then I'm going to drag a square over my completed picture. This is not completed, so I wouldn't accept this. And then I'm going to go File, Save As, and I might save this as Perez colored image, and I'm going to save that. And what you need to do for me is you need to go to your upload, so at the end of lesson 5. So let's go to lesson 5. Okay, I'll just drag the screen for you to see me. And in lesson 5 at the bottom, now I'm a teacher so I look a little bit different to you, but in here you're going to have a button that's called upload submit task, and you're going to submit that image. Let's see if I can show you exactly what you look. I'll go into student view and I'm going to go into modules. Oops, go back. Modules, game on, lesson 4. Go down to the bottom and then see how you've got submit assignment. You're going to choose a file, and you're going to choose a file which was that picture that I've just drawn, which is, there's my Perez colored image, and I'm going to submit. That needs to be done by the end of the lesson. If there is any questions, I will put this video in a discussion board and you can ask me questions while you're watching this video, and ask me any questions on how to draw the picture. Remember, you're making a copy of the spreadsheet, so this is a copy of this. Make a copy first. So you're going File, Make a Copy. That's the most important part. And then the rest is a bit of fun. We're going to make a picture. Thanks, everybody. I'll be on discussions.